Have you ever read a book after reading which you stare straight at the wall for minutes wondering what just happened? Hi everyone, I am Anushka Mora and today I'm going to review one of those books. The book I'm talking about is Verity by Colleen Hoover. So this is my first Colleen Hoover as well as my first psychotic thriller. The book revolves around three characters, Lower, Jeremy, and Verity. I'm gonna read the back cover for you guys so that you can get an idea what is in it. No spoilers though. So, Lower is a struggling writer on the binge of financial ruin when she accepted the job offer of her lifetime. Jeremy, husband of the best selling author Verity, had hired Lower to complete the remaining books in a successful series his injured wife is unable to finish. Now, Lower arrives at their house, ready to sort things years of Verity's notes and outlines, hoping to find enough material to get her started. What Lower did not expect is to uncover in a chaotic office an unfinished autobiography Verity never intended for anyone to read. Now, pages after pages of bone chilling admissions, including Verity's recollection of the night her family was forever altered. Lower decided to keep this manuscript hidden from Jeremy, knowing its contents could devastate the already grieving father. But Lower's feeling for Jeremy began to intensify. She recognized all the ways she could benefit if he were to read his wife's word. After all, no matter how devoted Jeremy is to his injured wife, a truth this horrifying would make it impossible for him to continue loving her. Now, after reading the back cover, we know that there are some catastrophic events, but we don't know which story to believe. Now, the book has secrets in it, which is uncovered till the last word of the book. And to get to know the entire truth, we have to get a special edition which contains the upcoming chapters of the book. I haven't read that yet. And the best part is that this book is being converted into a movie and it is in development with Amazon and some other studio. And I'm really looking forward like how the actors can do justice with the characters. So this is it for the video. I will be watching you guys in my next video. Till then, stay tuned.